Hello YouTube, Triumph Guy here today, and I'm going to be changing the drop links on this Mercedes. They should always be done in pairs, and you should always jack both of the front wheels up at the same time when doing so. If you're going to do that, make sure you chock the rear wheels as well. So, as you can see, inside is an Allen key bolt, and we've also got this nut on the end here. So, there it is on the car. And essentially what you've got to do is put the Allen key in and also undo the bolt at the same time with a ring open spanner. Use a wire brush to clean it all up, and on the car itself it's a Torx bit and not an Allen key bolt. Loosen it off with a regular socket first and then put a ring spanner on the bolt itself. In this case it's a 19mm. Put the Torx bit inside and you're going to try and loosen it. Or you can loosen it from the ring spanner. Mine snapped off, but luckily I've got Halfords Advanced kit, so I will get a replacement for free. Next thing you can do is grip where the rubber is on the back of it, and this will stop it from spinning. And then grab an impact gun with your 19mm on it and just wendy it off. Yeah? Yeah, please. No luck. All right, hang on. Hang on.
So when you're ready.
Yeah, try that. Fortunately, the bottom one, there's no space for an impact, so you're going to need to do the same, but use a normal socket. Now, if this doesn't work, you can try and angle grind it off, but you do need to be quite careful. One of the sides was quite easy, we didn't need to use the angle grinder. However, on this particular side, which was a nightmare, the side which I snapped my socket on, we did have to use the angle grinder. Just be careful that you don't cut through any suspension components or the anti-roll bar link itself. You're just trying to cut the socket off, and if you do find it easier, you can just use a metal saw. In an ideal world though, this is better with locking pliers and a socket. Then back up, you need to use your spanner and an Allen key socket and just tighten them up. These are supposed to be torque tightened up to 95 Newton meters. However, I think you're going to find it quite hard to get a torque wrench on there. So just tighten them up pretty tight. Doing lots of work on this W12 Mercedes-Benz. Please check the comments for playlist for more maintenance videos. Thank you very much for watching. And if you've got any questions, put them in the comments.